Let me change, let me know when the screen changes. 1 second, share. It should change now. What about now?
Nothing.
Okay, what do you see now on the screen?
It's just a black screen with Unicorn Logic trading as post screen sharing.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah, double click to enter full screen mode.
we try it again. Now what do you see? Now what do you see?
Yeah, see the same thing? Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
still showing the same thing. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing now. Okay, okay, pause. I'm sorry. Okay, your screen share is paused. Stop sharing. Okay, let me try it again. Thanks, John. Let me go again. Brian. Share. So what about,
Yeah, I see your icon logo.
okay, so do you see a chart now?
Yeah, chart is showing right now.
Okay, good. All right. Okay. Let me see. I got you, Brian. Hey, Brian. And then let's
Hey,
see.
Mark.
Got something for you guys to start practicing right away with this. Okay. I was wanting to focus on one at a time, one market at a time, Brian, just to make it simple and easy and give you the bar sizes and all that, you know? And by doing that, it's easier to start adding the other ones. So I didn't want to do the NQ first because, we've been doing the NQ forever, right? So I'm going to use gold as an example, and it's absolutely a killer. Okay. So first thing, Brian, I want you and John to write down your MFE numbers. The MFE will be 196, and the second MFE be 304. So where you go to the MFE inside the strategy and you put what number needs to go there, Brian?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Okay, put top one 196, bottom one 304. Same thing, John. Inside your strategy, if you're using the mothership, there's a section in there where you put the MFE. So you should know how to do this by now. I mean, it's pretty simple. Inside the strategy here, doesn't matter if you're using MFE or the AXX automation right here in this section. You're going to put, where is it at? What the heck is that puppy? Oh, I don't even have it loaded. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. Let me put it there. Okay, in this section right here, where it says, darn it, where the heck is it? I don't want to use that one. Let me take that one out. Okay, you'll use this one. You remove that, remove it. Sorry, guys. I'm mobile right now, so it's kind of difficult. All right, so in your section here, there's going to be a little box right here, John, that says indicator one parameters, MFE. You're going to put, this is only for gold, 196, 304. Okay, and then you're going to enable that. So that's going to create these crosses. All right, 196, 304. It's not complicated. And then hit enable. Okay, all right. So that creates the cross, but forget the cross. I want to show you the consistency of this thing on gold. The size is going to be a 40 and a 4 bar, Brian. Okay, 40 and 4. So you go to your data series and you put 40 and 4. 40 and 4. And because this is just an indicator, you can put, 10, 15 days. I would probably put 5 or 6 just to make it move faster. But 40 and 4 MX bars. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Simple enough. All right, if not just replay it. We don't need to keep talking about it. All right, so here's what it does. And I'm going to explain the higher probability trades. All right, so I'm going back about 14 days, and you and I, all of us, are going to walk through this each day, and you're going to be surprised how clear and easy this thing is as we walk through it. Okay, so it's still just us three. All right, no worries. All right, Brian, here's the first day. I got the opening gate on there. Okay. What I did for the opening gate is I just kept mine yellow all the way through. Or you can leave it the way it's already set up yellow, then it turns blue. Okay, so here we go. All we're looking for, guys, this will never change, Brian, is the first move that is close to that magenta line. So let's walk through it as it actually happens. On this particular day, which was 2 weeks ago, I'm going to do every day. We're looking for that magenta line. We saw that we had a cross earlier, short. So as the market opens, we're not really using the cross. It just helps us know how the direction is trading. We're going to use the line. If you were trading earlier, 8 o'clock, you had your first $600 win right there. So all I'm going to talk about today, Brian, is going from the magenta to the green or the magenta to the first red. Okay, guys, magenta to the green, magenta to the first red. That's a $600 trade. So in your settings, which I'll send later, it's going to be, what's that? How many points is that on? That's 10, 60, whatever the points are on gold. What's gold? $10 a point, Brian?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think so.
10.
Okay.
So that would be 60 ticks, right, guys? Yeah. All right. So you're going to put a order in once you cross this line, and your stop is going to go here. So it's 60 aside, 60 ticks aside. Miles, is that you? Or is that John still? Okay. All right. So here we go. We had a cross. So we're looking short. If you came in earlier, you would have taken the first trade after the cross that touches one of these lines. That's your high probability. You don't want to take a floater, Brian. John, you want to take one that touches that line if I'm going to go short. So if I'm short here, I really want to wait for that. But if I had taken the short here, before I actually got to the magenta line, now you're not trading prime levels. Prime levels only deals with this line. But if you want to take that because you have the MFE on, then of course you would take it here, and then your stop would have to go back to that second line right there. Okay, but I only want to talk about the prime levels. I don't want to get into this. This makes it so much easier, like a little win right there, easy. If you use the MFE, you're going to just destroy it. But forget that. That's not where the power is. So I'm waiting for the open to come. Open hasn't happened yet. Still waiting. I've already had my first touch right there, but that's not the first touch, Brian, that's based on the open, the New York Open, okay? I'm not talking about the cash open right now. Keep going. So despite the fact that it told me I was short, remember the MFE has nothing to do at all, zero, with the prime levels. Nothing to do with it. I'm just putting it on there so you guys feel comfortable because you know what it is. At the actual open, I see that I just crossed that magenta line. My first target is there. So once I cross that magenta line, I take that trade. My stop goes here. My target is there. Instant 600. Now, here's the key, everybody. You're working on something called first touch, meaning the first touch on that magenta line or the first actual trade on that magenta line is my most powerful trade for that session. It has the highest win percentage, not even close to any other future magenta line crosses. If you wait again until 11 o'clock Eastern, or excuse me, 11 o'clock CST, where the lunch open happens, then you can do it again. So there's two prime sessions. There's the open at 8:30 Eastern Central Standard, and then you could look for a second one later. Doesn't mean you can't take more throughout the day. But statistically, those two are the highest probabilities. I'm going to show you over the last 2 to 3 weeks. Watch. First of all, does everybody on this call understand that part? Yes or no?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Has not a damn thing to do with this.
Mhm.
Because if you were paying attention to that, you're short and you never would have taken that trade because that's long. Doesn't mean you can't use this, but I'm speaking about the rules for the prime levels. Instant win. I continue. There's a second touch. That's a loss. Why? You broke it. You broke it. But you never got to that line. Why? I just told you why. The very first move is the strongest move. It will not change. Why? Because you're following institutional moves, not what you want to do. Let's continue. I'm going to ignore all other trades. I want you to focus on how you make easy money. I can give a damn about how many more times it touches that line. It's irrelevant. Did the first touch win? Yes. Now I move over. I'm not worried about all this other stuff. That's irrelevant. It's not how this works. Now I go back. Now wait for 11 o'clock. See if I get 11 o'clock opportunity. 11 o'clock is right about here. I'm out of the zone. And next year, we'll start talking about how to trade these zones. But I'm just talking about the magenta right now, trying to get you the highest probability. So I'm at 11 o'clock right here. I want to see if I come back down to the magenta for that day. I never do. So for that day, you made $600 times how many accounts you have. First trade closed in the first 3 minutes. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay. See who else who joined the call. Miles. Okay. All right. Miles, do you understand that? Or do I need to go back? Did you come in late? I can go back. Okay. Here we go. Next day. Open. I am below the magenta. Garbage. There are no trades. If you want to start trading the MFE, that's not the prime levels. That is the MFE. You're nowhere near that magenta line. That means institutionally speaking, the move already happened last night, or there isn't a move that day that's going to touch that line yet. I'm not talking about MFE trades. I will not address them. That's not what this is about. I'll continue up, looking for a first touch that day. And finally, when I get the very first touch, you tell me, did I get to my target? Yes or no?
Yes.
2-0. Next day. All you got to do is listen to what I'm saying, and you will destroy it. When you
Sorry,
start,
Matt.
Yeah.
Matt, sorry. Can you go back to the first touch right there?
Go back to what?
Yeah, the one that you just showed us right now.
Okay. Try to follow me.
Yeah, I just want to, yeah.
Okay. All right. No, it's not going to change.
So where's the entry?
Really? I'm not going to say anything. Someone
No,
help
I mean,
me.
I saw the pink line, so I just
Right.
wanted to be
It's
sure.
right here.
Yeah, so I want to come. Yeah, okay, yeah. So
That's it.
okay. So the next one that follows it, we don't have to
Okay, so
bother
that
about.
wasn't it. That wasn't it. It was back here. I'm sorry. I missed it. It was over here. It was here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Or maybe I went back too far. I'm sorry. Let me find it. No, here it is, right here. I'm sorry. That's 11 o'clock. This one came up. You want to go cross. You're going this way. Your MFE says you're going long. There's your entry. Came back. Your stop is here. There's your target, 600. Always put it one tick below that line, guys, because it's called slippage. We want to make sure we don't actually try to get on that line. save yourself 20 bucks and put it 1 point below. Everybody understand that?
Yes.
Because these are institutional levels. So if they're looking to take you out there because they know if you're using something smart, that's their level. Not all the time, but when they want to swipe money out the market, they're going to come 1 tick short and reverse, and you're going to hate yourself. Okay, first trade of each zone, guys. Do not start chasing this shit, okay? 1 time. Leave that alone. If you want to take it because you know better, go ahead. I'm just showing you how to win twice a day. Each trade, $600. Will you lose sometimes? Sure you will. We'll continue. We have next year to learn all the other stuff on this. Here we go. Next day. Here we go. Simple. Miles, bar size is 40 and 4. Gold only right now. Cannot make it up. Is that not the open? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you get to your target? Yes or no?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. When's the next trade, guys?
11 o'clock.
Thank you, Brian. Go to 11 o'clock. If I'm in the zone, I'm not. The market broke wide. We'll talk about this next year, how to take these breakout trades. So I haven't lost yet. Here I go. Next day, it's as simple as pie. It's only complicated when people make it complicated. Here we go. Out of range. Can't trade that day because you're out of range. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. That's a news day that changed to institutional levels because the institutions don't control the news. There are no trades that day. Get over it. Move to the next day. I'll actually have one later in the day. I'm sorry. I take it back. 11 o'clock. What happened? You tell me. Did you hit the move? Yes or no? You crossed the line. There's your target. There's your stop. I'll ask again. Did you hit your target? Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you lost yet? No.
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 Don't make it difficult. Don't ask me what ifs. There are no what ifs. This is absolute. The magenta line, you're not in range yet. Don't worry about it. If you want to take MFE trades, take MFE trades. I am not addressing MFE. I only have it on here so you feel warm and fuzzy. Trying to teach you how to trade these prime levels. Did you get to the target on the first break? I'll hold. Yes or no?
Mhm.
No.
You broke here. You broke that magenta line here. Yes? I'll open it up. You broke the magenta line here. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Where's your stop? Here.
Yes.
Where's your target? Here.
Yes.
Thank you. You're 6-0. Continue. It's only relevant if the line, if the market is in agreement with the institutional lines and there hasn't been any news or otherwise. Continue again. You're out of range. I'm not talking about this. This is why you're sleeping. You're above. You're out of zone. Don't worry about it. If the market is meant to come back down to the zone, it will. You don't have to worry about it. Here we come down. Do you get it? We'll see if you come down. You didn't catch the first hour block. Now you go into the lunch hour. Lunch hour comes. Did you get it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do I have
Yes.
anybody's attention yet?
Yes. Yes.
Brian?
Yeah.
Miles?
Yeah, I'm here, Mike, but I ain't feeling well, so I ain't talk too much.
Okay, got you, buddy. Hope you feel better. Please tell me
Appreciate
it's not COVID, right?
Nah.
Okay, all right.
Nah, some little bug just trying to get me down from the weather keep changing back and forth.
I got you, brother. All right, man. All right, here we go. Here we go again.
But yeah, but now I got you. Everything makes sense.
All right, man. Let's keep it simple. 40 and 4. Gold, okay?
Yeah, so we just go no NQ right now.
I'm focusing on gold, one thing at a time. You guys
Okay.
we can't change 20 markets. You trade 20 markets. You guys have been using gold, NQ forever. Let's use something different. All I am trying to do is get you the highest probability trades and wins. The market is inconsequential.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, there you go, buddy. There you go. We're not caught up in this BS about I love this market. You love the market, it makes you money. If it doesn't make you money, you don't love it. This day, did you ever come in the range? No. Therefore, no trades that day using the magenta. Doesn't mean you can't use your MFEs. Hello. There are about 4 MFE trades that were winners, but I'm not going to get into those right now. I want you to understand the power of this line. Here we go. MFE settings miles are 196 and 304 for the gold 40 and 4. Okay. All right. It's in the video. Okay. 196, 304. We go to the next day. Come stop. Please don't freeze on me. Oh, there we go. Thanks. Not yet. Don't freeze. Darn it. Give me a second, guys. Let this thing catch up. All right. Let me try to. Please don't freeze. Oh, here we go. All right. Go to the next day. All right. Here we go again, guys. Market opens right there on the magenta line at the 8:30. Did you get to the target? Yes or no? Simple question. That's 8:30 on the yellow line, yes?
Yeah.
That first green line is right there. You've made it to the second line. Your stop is there. Still haven't lost. Now let's go to the afternoon session. Come on, this thing is freezing on me. Got too much data loaded. Here we go. Let's push this thing to the lunchtime. Come on, come on, come on. I'm mobile, guys. That's why I don't have a strong internet connection, so I apologize. Let's give it a second. All right, a little movement there. So let it give a second again. Okay. All right, move it again. Please cooperate. Yeah. It's nothing like a home internet connection with a VPS. Spotty right now, guys. Just bear with me. Nothing I can do about this. Let me let it settle a little bit. All right, that should do it. Trying to move her forward. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Bring it over a little bit. Okay, lunchtime, 11 o'clock, right about. I can't make it up. Brian, what time does that say at the bottom? 11:09. Did you get it again? It's a
Yes, you
simple
did.
question. It's simple. It is so damn simple. Take the first cross in the morning. I'm talking about gold right now, the gold setting. You can't trade 5 markets at once. Stop being greedy. There you go. It's not going to change. We just did 10 days. There were 6 days. There were 6 days that traded. There were 4 days you weren't in the zone. That's okay. That means you are not trading chop. You are not guessing. You are not hoping. You are following the institutional damn levels. Any questions? Okay, I'll keep
So
going.
you're trading every day here then, Mike.
Say again, Brian.
So you're trading gold every day, not just on Wednesdays.
Yeah, you're following whatever's happening. So I posted that stuff. Miles, did you get the post I sent? You don't have to respond. I know you're not feeling well. I put all the parameters in there, and we're using the momentum of the natural news days, but even non-news days, right? That just makes you more powerful for breakouts that get you bigger runs, like halfway to the next level. But I'm speaking about separate from any other trading day, Brian, just generally speaking, we're just trying to get the two levels here to here, here to here. When it comes to breakout and getting those $1,200 moves, that's what we're going to start next year. That's when you're going to use the days that have volatility. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. But in the meantime, how can we be mad at $1,200 a day? How can we be mad at 600? And if it's not ranging, that means we are not like everybody else in the market guessing. That's the power. So let's keep going to the next day. Will it win every day? No. Will it win most of the time? It's not even close. Go to the next day. If it's in range, we look for a trade. If it's not, we don't. Here we go again. Don't even know what day of the week this is, but you tell me. Your first break was right there. It peaked over that line. Your stop went there. Did you get to the line again?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. If you didn't take it because that bar didn't close, that's okay. That one did, and you got on the second move. Well, Mark, there's another winner. Yes, sometimes you'll get double backs, triple backs. So right now, we are just trying to take this the highest probability setup. We are not guessing. We are just using the highest probability setups. If you want to start taking more trades after that, use that damn MFE and get another 600. I'll hold. But why would you? The MFE can never be as reliable as that line because we're not trading the MFE. We are trading the magenta line. And those days you see where it moves big, guess what days those are? News days. And it will crush through that line like nothing. And now you're talking about a $1,500 day. You just need that once a week. If you can get $600 a day 3 times a week, and you can get $1,000 or $1,500 once a week on the volatile days, I think that's probably about what, a 26, 27, 15, that's a $3,300 week. And all you did was take the first trade that touched the line. It's called first touch. You don't keep chasing the magenta line. You're going to get destroyed. You take the first magenta line touch at the open and then again at the lunchtime. That's it. On breakout days, days where there's going to be news, unexpected or expected, you do the same thing. And now you're going to crush through that level, and you're no longer going to go for that first level. You're going to go to the second or third, but your stop will stay the same. How about that? Let's keep going. Lunchtime that day, no action. It's okay. It's not, nothing was there. So therefore, you don't try to guess and trade. That's it. There was an MFE cross here that won. I'm going to do MFEs. Go back. There was an MFE that won. There was separate. Listen, gentlemen. So glad you guys made the call. The ones who didn't make it, I understand they're real busy for the holidays. I get it. No harm, no foul. However, you're playing with house money at this point. You're up 600. Is that a $600 win on the MFE? Yes or no? Is that a $600 win on the MFE? Yes or no?
Yes.
Next MFE cross, literal cross. I don't mean these when they run together, you got to take those, but there's another one. So that means that day was a $2,400 day. Each time I take the MFE, it's the same risk, 600, 600. So let's go back and do a couple MFE days. I am not promoting MFE. I'm trying to help you understand. This was actually a news day, and this is why it crushed. It will never fail. You got your first move, anti trend direction because you're trading institutional levels, 600. You stop, you wait for MFE. Boom! Get another one to see if you got another MFE. I wouldn't keep taking MFE though. I do it twice a day, maybe. You take an MFE here, you lost that one. So you're up one. You lost that one. Remember, you're not trading these zones after the first move. Not now. MFE long, you lost that one. Keep going. Keep going. That day was a breakout, so there were no more MFEs available. Let's go back deep. I'll stop randomly. I'll stop here. Here we go. See what we got. All right. Got our first win long over here. Well, where's the actual box at? We need the box. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. All right. All right. Here we go. Let's look at MFEs now. Okay. Got our first win on our regular move. First MFE cross is there. You got another win. Boom. You're up 1,200. Another win. One cross here. One cross here. 1,800. You haven't gotten to the lunch hour yet. Nothing more that day. You're out of range. Let's see if it came back down. No, it didn't. Okay. Let's go to another day. Just picking random days, everybody. You can do this yourself. And we're going to crush it next year, guys. We're going to crush it. Here we go. All right. We're not in range. So there's no MFE action. I mean, there's no prime level action. This is a very low volume day. Doesn't matter. If I'm using MFE, that MFE crossed short here. My stop goes right there. My target goes here. I missed it by a little bit. You lost that one. Comes back up. MFE long. You lost that one. Next MFE again. A cross, actual cross. None available to you. So this is why I'm saying leave the MFE alone unless it's a real trending day, like a news day or something like that. Otherwise, why would you take that $1,200 day off the table by looking for stuff that's not necessarily the system? This is not an MFE system. It is simply the magenta line. I'm going to keep saying it. I would only use the MFE just to make me feel warm and fuzzy. Otherwise, take that thing off. You'll be a killer when you know how to trade this without that. You don't need that. Will it help you sometimes? Absolutely. But if I just made an easy $600 on that open, and I know I'm going to do it in the afternoon, why am I gambling, trying to get more? You know how I get more? I get more prop accounts. Yes? Yes. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. It's not complicated. So what's your setting for the gold? The gold is 40 and 4. That's it. I explained how you take your first two trades. It's in the video. It's the open and then 11 o'clock Central VPS time. Look for those two moves. That's it. That's it. Does it have to be exactly 11 o'clock? No, it could be 10:50-ish, somewhere between, 10:50, 11 o'clock. It might be 11:20. Whatever the first touch on that magenta line is, either direction after that 11 o'clock hour or right around the 11 o'clock hour. Could be 11, could be 10:55. Guys, you know what I mean. But be ready around that time. And have the faith and just take it. And put your stop every single time. This is the easiest part of this system. It is flawless in terms of your risk to reward. At this point, it's 1-to-1. If I come to this level and I just cross that line, that's my target. You are not pushing it up here. Not yet. My stop goes right there in that red line. My setting in the back is 60 ticks. 60 ticks times $10 a tick is 600. So when I take the entry, I'm risking 600 to make 600. On the trending days that we go over next year, when you have the trending days, you're going to double that, if not triple that. and your stop will still be the same 60 ticks. You guys got me?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, Star, you need to look at the first part of this class, Star. You really go back and watch the video. I know you're busy. I need you, Star, to promise me you're going to look at the part you missed.
I promise.
I know you will. I know you will. Okay, just promise me, okay?
Mhm.
So once we understand this first part, guys, once we understand this first simple part and your confidence blows up, just focus on the gold for right now. We don't want to go start trading the NQ and the gold and worry about all this other stuff. You have a perfect system one way or the other right now for NQ with MFE. So let's trade something different that is not related to that I know I'm going to crush it. Which trade is the higher probability, the 8:30 in the morning or the 11? No such thing. Both of those are institutional moves at those times. So I just showed you how to grab consistently $600 to $1,200. If you win the first one, here's the best part, guys, and you lose the second one, did you have a losing day?
No.
And so over the course of 20 days, 22 trading days a month, you're probably going to be out of range 6 times. So we're going to look at really about 14 opportunities in a month, right? Out of those 14 opportunities, I'm speaking about gold, out of those 14 opportunities, you're going to have 2 trades probably 12 times. There'll be some days you only have 1 trade. So let's just assume 2 trades a day, just for conversation speak, all right? I'll dumb it down to 12 days that you're trading to offset that second trade. So that's 24 trades in a month. 1-to-1, Star. Let's suppose you're only 75%, which is, excuse my language, bullshit. Way more than that, but I'll just play the game. So that means out of 24 trades, 75%, I won 18, I lost 6. That's a net 12. 12 times 6 is how much?
72.
$7,200. You got 3 accounts. That's 21,000. Hello, any questions?
Mm-mm.
All you gotta do is practice it. I'm going to be setting the settings tonight every day. Do not trade this live until you practice it, and you'll see. Problem. We are in a dead time where the volatility is super low. So you're not going to have the same consistency at all, guys. In fact, if I were you, I would, if you trade tomorrow, you trade this week, we need to go see a psychiatrist. Why would you trade this week? Please do not trade your accounts this week. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you like.
Hey, Mark.
Yes.
Hey, on that, the prop firms, I know some of them want you to trade at least once a week. I would just put it on micro and go for like 2
Yeah,
ticks.
just put on micro, play around, or just take a 1 quick trade and get out, right?
Yeah, just
You
so
know,
say you traded for that week.
yeah, just say you traded that week. Just do something stupid, right? And if you lose $50, you lose $50. You make 50, you make 50. Just do something to keep that rule in place. But of course, at all times. So it's spectacular, guys. That's all I can tell you. And when January comes, when the volume picks back up, these first 3 months of the year, gold is your best friend. Okay? And if it's too rich for your blood, just cut it down to 5 micros. It's a $300 trade and a $300 risk. If you go back and watch this video 2 or 3 times and just follow what we just did for the last 14 days, I am telling you, this is the worst time. This is the worst time to trade. You guys know it's December. Imagine what it's doing when it's regularly moving. And we didn't cover the breakout days. Okay? So next time we come back, we're going to cover the breakout days. And so now you know how to trade every day that you're in range. What it comes down to is, am I in range? If I'm not, that means that the market has pushed itself beyond what's expected because there's news Are there some kind of something going on that's making not the prediction, but the natural movement out of sync? That means we don't want to trade it. And so we'll also talk about December, the last part, January, how to trade my extended levels when I get beyond this green one up here, or how I trade these middle levels, because this power line, which is at magenta, has an equal one. There's two other ones. It's called the breakout at the bottom and a breakout at the top. So if you know how to trade this one, now you're going to know how to trade that one and that one. Okay? All right. All right. Anybody want to ask any other questions on anything at all? Anything? No? No. Okay.
So
right, guys.
the times,
Yeah, go ahead, Brian.
The
Go
time-
ahead, Miles.
the times you're talking about, for it's VPS time, right?
Everything's VPS time. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, everything's VPS. Just go back to the beginning of the part of the video and I break that all down. Yes.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, you sound bad, Miles. Get some rest, man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Star. Okay, Brian, John, I appreciate you guys. I'll post this right away. And Merry Christmas and all that good stuff. And we'll get back together sometime next week and then start again at the new year. Okay? I'm here if you
Okay.
need me. I'm here if you guys need me. Yes, go ahead. Okay. Good enough, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Merry
Thank you,
Christmas.
Mark.
Yes, Brian. Yes.
Yeah, I said, thank you, Mark.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, man.
Uh-huh.